Hello kids, welcome back. By now we have cut some model and make house like this with the paper and with the cardboard. Okay, so now what's next? Next is this is a very simple house. You can see there is no door, no windows, no chimneys, nothing like that. So every house has some things like that. It has some furniture, some windows, some doors and things like that. So what we are going to add, we need to add some doors, some windows, chimney, and we are going to also add some borders to those doors and windows. So how we are going to do that? This is our cut piece. Before gluing it, we have to cut the cuttings, the openings for the windows and the doors. Okay, first of all we want a door. Where does the door come? The door will come on one of these sides. Okay, I have decided this side should be my front side. I should put a door here like that, and windows will be coming here. I'm just going to put one window on each side of my house, and on the top I am going to put a chimney here. So a door is coming here. I have to make this door to the scales, so I am not going to draw them, just to show you this is a door, window and chimney. Okay, so how we are going to do that? Let's start with the door. Okay, I want a door in the middle of my, and this is 2 centimeters. Let's say my door is 1 centimeter in the middle of this. Have to be sure it is straight. Okay, and I am just going to leave half centimeter away from here and put a mark here. I'm just going half centimeter here, then from here half centimeter. So it is in the middle 1 centimeter, and I have to put a mark in the middle as well, because it is going to be 2-ply doors. Okay, I'm just going to show you in a minute. So I'm going to put a mark here, another one here, another one here. Okay, so I have to draw these 3 lines. Okay, these 3 lines will become my door. And how high should my door be? So this total length is 4 centimeter. So my door should be almost about 2 centimeter high. Okay, so I am going to put a mark here. Another one here, and just I am going to Draw a straight line. Okay, I don't want the extra. I'm just going to erase them with my eraser. So you see, here I have got my door. So what I'm going to do, I need these two things attached here with my wall, and the door will be opening in this center. So I have to cut this center. I have to cut the center with my cutter. Don't cut anything else. Okay, and I have to make the cut in the top as well. Don't cut extra, don't go outside. Okay, you can see the door is cut, okay, from the top as well. Okay, but it is not bending because we don't have, we need to put just a mark. We don't want to cut it, just a little mark. Hold your ruler very firmly and just a little mark here, and on this side as well. Okay, so my door will so you see, I have a door here which can be opened inside or outside as well. I think you can see it easily. Okay, I have got my road door ready. So what about my windows? So I am going to get my window here. I'm just going to put a line here in the middle. Okay, and let's say my window is about 1.5 centimeter from top to 2.5 centimeter. So this window is 1 centimeter. Okay, and I'm just going to put the mark on this side as well. Okay, here I have one line, and with this line I am going to make sure I don't have any extra lines so I don't get confused. From here I want 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter. Okay, and I want a 2 centimeter window in my, this is 6 centimeter altogether, so I can have my window from 2 to 4 centimeters. Okay, so from 2 to 4, and I want in the middle as well. I'm doing the same thing here. 2 to 4 and in the middle. Okay, I'm just going to draw lines here. Okay, so this is the cutting for my window. I want to delete extra lines. I will just use my eraser to erase all the extra lines. Okay, so my window, it will not be, it will be same like the door, it will stay with the wall, but these 3 lines, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, they will be cut, and this side will be staying here. I am not going to cut these sides. Okay, so let's start it. Measure, my point should be exactly on the line. Cut it in one go. Cut the middle. Just small marks on sides. Okay, so let's see what have we done. Okay, you see my window is ready here as well. Window is opening outside. Okay, so I am going to do the same here as well. Okay, so let's see, that was, I need to be on the same heights. That was 1.5 from the bottom, so 1.5 from the bottom. Okay, 1 centimeter. Okay, right, I can use it like that as well, this point and this point. Remember, if I'm using these points, my line will come straight to its place, and from this point to this point. Okay, my line will come straight here, and the middle one as well. Okay, now let's check it. Here we have 2 centimeters, and here we have 2 centimeter, and middle line is in 1 centimeter. Okay, that was a shortcut. Okay, that was a shortcut to line on the other sides. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it again. Be very careful, your finger should be on one side of your roller. Don't cut anything extra. Put the mark on the line and cut it. Try to cut it in one go. Here, here I have, and I want marks on sides. Alright, so you can see the window is ready. Okay, so I got my door ready, my window is ready.